Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall phones on Windows 11. So if you want to delete one of the system phones on your computer, this is how you are going to do it. So on the desktop, you can just right click and then here tap on show more options and tap on personalized. And here you can see the personalization settings on your Windows 11. You can just scroll down until you find the phone settings, so tap on that, and this is the available phones or the installed phones on my computer. Let's say I want to delete one of them, so you can just click on this three dots icon to see the options of the phone, and there will be the option to uninstall. But if you want to only hide it from your computer, you can just tap on hide. I'm going to just click on uninstall, and in here uninstall this phone family permanently. Now if you're sure, you can just tap on uninstall. Okay, apparently I cannot do that because it is a protected system phone. So let's try again. Or you can just hide it from your computer. Tap on hide. So that's it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.